Here's how to use Grok 4.1. First is you have to avail a plan first. There is a one-time payment, yearly access, and weekly access. Now, after availing a plan, you will be able to see there all the options that you can use from Grok 4.1. So let's say, for example, we are going to use the image generator options. Now click on the image generator options. And then afterwards, what you need to do is put on the prompts that you wanted to create. Now, after putting all the prompts that you wanted to create, click on the button that you will see, which is the arrow button. Now again, for you to be able to have a success creation, you have to avail a premium account from them. There is no free trial because free trial is also paid. And then afterwards, you can go ahead and use the YouTube analysis, wherein what you need to do is to put on the YouTube link there, and that they will analyze all the video information from the YouTube URL that you put. There is also a web URL analysis that you can use.